Hi there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading the Restaurant Sales Report from your PMS dashboard. Restaurant Sales Report is a document that summarizes the revenue generated by the hotel's food and beverage outlets, such as restaurants, bars, and room service. Let's get started. Log into your PMS account using your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side menu and click on Reports. From the list, select F&B section. On the F&B Reports page, click the Sales tab at the top. Then choose Restaurant Sales. Choose the restaurant and select the date for which you want to generate the report. Then click on Excel Download button to download the report. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Restaurant Sales Report from your PMS. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.